What is inside of the house cleaner's training kit that you need that you cannot get anywhere else? Number one, it's speed in training. It's built to get the job done and fast. Get them trained fast so they are cleaning fast. Weed out those that don't like cleaning before they cost you more money than is necessary and it hits your bottom line. So why is it so fast? It is created on the basic principle of KISS. Probably no longer politically correct, but it stands for Keep It Simple Stupid, meaning do not be unwise and overeducate. A new hire can only comprehend so much on the first day anyway, so why train them more than they are going to use on the first day? Training is ongoing, isn't it? Teach them more after they have mastered the basics. In less than 2 to 4 hours, depending upon the experience and comprehension level of the new hire, every new hire will know every product to pick up from your caddy to clean everything in a bathroom or a kitchen or what to use when dusting. They will know which tool and product to use in your company to clean each item and area. They will know where to start and what to clean next. No need to tell or show them. Just watch them in amazement when they get done with your online training. Your new hire will love it too. If you have hired the right person for this job, they want to get moving. They do not want to spend days, even though they're getting paid, reading a 100+ page manual. If they are, again, the right person, they want to get their hands on the job. But they have to know something before they can do that. How is this accomplished? Take a look at our manual tomorrow and how our manual becomes your manual, and that's the magic.